Prince Harry is, you know, he's putting it all out there, you know. I'm surprised he isn't in a full frontal at this point. And you know, he got all the royal family nerds upset. You know what I mean, right? You know, it's the people that are signing petitions to get Meghan Markle shot at the border. Yeah? It's the people that are like, you know, trying to set their grandchildren up with Prince Andrew. You can update my content on it. These people exist, you know. You know, I was back home and I was watching the Royal Variety performance for the first time. Because I was confused, like, I don't know what a Royal Variety performance is. They're like a notoriously inbred family. I thought a Royal Variety performance was Prince Charles going on the news pretending to like black people.